messages back to your communities so that we can all hope for a free Wales. Thank you very much. Let's all sing an anthem.
Hoffwn I ddiolch I dyn sydd yn neud hwn bosib. I'd like to thank the person who's made this possible. We've had absolutely fantastic help from the Scots, from all in the one band in Scotland. If you're listening from Scotland, we salute you, we thank you, we're with you all the way, boys. On the rhaid yn ei ddiolch I Llywelyn ap Gwilym, y boi na'r cafel yn y baton ar rhedeg y ras I gael y rally yma. Llywelyn ap Gwilym put his hand in the air, said I'll organise this march with the help from the Scots. We need more people like Llywelyn. And in this crowd I see other people who put their hand in the air and done stuff. The girls in Penabont in Bridgend who did the Cofiwch Llywelyn sign. The people in Caernarfon who came down on a bus today. In Pembrokeshire on the bus. These are people who've driven the signs for Cofiwch Llywelyn because we don't have the press. We don't have the education. We don't have the films on Netflix. The only thing we have is our walls. Our walls tell us our history. So diolch yn fawr I bawb sy'n dangos a lledu neges Cymru. Diolch I chi bob un am gafel yn y brwsh, am gafel yn y baton I neud siŵr bod y neges yn mynd ymlaen ar wal. Diolch yn fawr I ti Llywelyn. Fi eisiau chi fynd nôl, dechreuwch grwpiau Yes Cymru, dechreuwch grwpiau Woken, dechreuwch grwpiau Undod. Start your group Yes Cymru. You are the change you've been waiting for. Nobody else. You are the change. You can and you are changing Wales, and it's happening now. Now, boys, isn't it a fantastic feeling? Fi eisiau rhywun sy'n gallu pitio yr anthem. Dafydd yw anthem yma yn anffodus, ond mae rhaid I gael anthem. Pwy sy'n gallu pitio? Mae hyn, mae fan hardau